Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI note takeout platform, which is Notejoy and Notta. So to get started with a quick comparison about these two platforms, you'll be able to decide which of these would be a better option for you to use in 2025. So to get started, Notejoy is about effortless team collaboration and knowledge sharing. It lets you create, organize, and collaborate on Note in real time with your team. Whether you are putting together meetings agendas, sharing action items, or maintaining a team's knowledge base, Notejoy makes sure everyone stays on the same page. It's a great fit for people who need a lightweight, flexible tools to collaborate smoothly. They're talking about Notta, on the other hand, focus mainly in converting meetings and conversions into actionable notes. For instance, it used a powerful speech-to-text technology to transcribe meetings, phone calls, or lectures in real time. Notta highlight key points and summarize conversations, making it perfect for busy people who want to stay informed without replaying hours of audios. So if you need a collaborative workspace for Team Note, Notejoy is your best match. But if you want an automated note taker that transforms conversation into clear, actionable highlight, Note is a game changer for you. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what's your fix on any of these platforms. Thanks.